Thank you to all of our teams for your submissions. We hope you enjoyed the event. Our judges have now reviewed all the submissions, and feedback will be provided individually to each team, but we have some closing thoughts from our judges, and they will also announce our winner. Judges?
My first comment to all the teams is I'm grateful that you're involved in a process like this. It's incredibly valuable and incredibly important for people to be engaged in ideas that make communities better. So I'm grateful that you're involved in the process. Additionally, by participating in these kinds of events, you can see what other teams are doing, what worked better, what maybe could have been done better, and learn from those things. The main thing that I would say about any project like this is understand the needs, clearly define them, and then move forward with the ideas. So variation in success, I think, was dependent on clarity of what are the needs. That said, great job in putting an effort in on this. It's a meaningful cause, and I'm glad young creative people are working on it.
So ditto to what Dan said. I'm profoundly grateful that you all took the time to do this. And I'll put it this way. One of the reasons that I'm grateful is around here, and this is a truth, around here, people feel like nobody cares about them. I have, clients say that to me all the time. Nobody cares about us anymore. So I'm grateful, first of all, that you took the time to understand our neighborhood and the people in the neighborhood and what their needs and hopes and aspirations are. That means a lot to me. You all had terrific ideas. I'm going to steal shamelessly little bits and pieces of everybody's best thinking, and so thank you for that. But even with all that great thinking, there was one that kind of emerged a little bit higher than the others. And so we're excited or happy to announce that Team 4 is the winner of the contest. So congratulations, Team 4. Congratulations to everybody for just exceptional work, but a special congratulations to Team 4.